Hey, you guys, what's going on? It's Brian McMeyer, and today I have the privilege to sit down with the CEO of Builderall.com. What a great guy, and he took a little time out of his schedule to speak with us to give a little bit of his information and his take, especially on this epidemic and a coronavirus crisis going on globally. So I reached out to him today. He's got a lot of media going on today. A lot of people are, in the news are reaching out for information. Eric, I wanted to get on the call with you to talk about, especially the plan that Builderall has. What is that $1 plan that Builderall has in place for those that are affected with this coronavirus epidemic?
Hey, Brad. Thank you, man. So, yes, this thing that we are creating, we don't have a $1 plan on Builderall, right? But when we saw what's happening and people are staying at home, some people are working from home, but some people, they are just at home hoping for the best, hoping for some help from the government. And a lot of people are doing nothing at home. By the way, this is the Builderall office, right? This is just a video, but it's not there anymore. Everybody's working from home, but we have something to do at home. But my concern is a lot of people, they don't have anything to do at home. They are just 100% depending on the government, and they don't know what's happening. And then what we are doing is we create a solution, we create a plan so you can start your online business right now with just $1. And when we are saying start your online business inside Builderall, Builderall is a digital marketing platform. We have more than 30 tools, a lot of apps, a lot of solutions, a lot of ideas, trainings, tutorials for you to start any kind of business you want to do online. So for example, you want to do e-commerce, we have everything you need. You want to do a sales funnel, we have everything we need. You want to sell a course or teach something, we have the e-learning platform, we have checkouts, we have affiliate system, we have everything that you need to start a business online. And maybe you don't know what to do, but with this plan, you're just going to invest like $1 and you will access all the tools, all the trainings, all the ideas, everything that we are doing. You're going to have access to our entrepreneur community, so you're going to be able to talk and see what people are doing, and you're going to have like 30 days to figure it out what you can do online. Because, Brad, I hope this whole situation goes fast, but we don't know if it is going to be like 1 month, 2 months, 3 months to the end of the year. We don't know what's going to happen, and I think the right time to take some action, it's right now, because I'm not happy. But the business now for Builderall is getting better. For example, Zoom, this is the app that we are doing right now to do this video, right? Zoom stocks, I don't know if you saw, it skyrocket for the past weeks because all the companies in the world, they are working online, they are work from home, and they are having the meetings using this app Zoom. So it's a pretty bad time for some companies, but it is a good time for some other companies. Companies that they are working online, providing services online, is a good time because one of the only things that's not collapsing right now is the internet, right? So what's happening is a lot of business, they are building their website. They are building an e-commerce. They are building a way to provide business online. They are relying on the internet to keep on business. So it's a good time for Builderall because they are using Builderall to create their websites, their digital marketing, their communication with their clients, the email marketing, everything that we have. So we are selling a lot right now. It's a good time for Builderall, unfortunately, right? And all the people who are working with Builderall right now, they're Builderall affiliates, they are making money, they are working from home, they are dealing with the situation in a way that, okay, we can help you to bring your business online, right? So this is what we are doing now. We are making money, helping people to bring their business online. This is one side of the story, right? But my concern right now is that you working from home or staying at home with nothing to do, you can join Builderall right now and you can figure out something that you can do online. You can, that idea you had a few months ago and you never did, this is the time that you can start. You can start right now. And if you don't have an idea, you don't have a product, you have nothing, you can join Build It All right now, and you can start working with Build It All on our Funnel Club. This is a product that we have to help people creating a very profitable affiliate business. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to find a balance. Right now is a very, very good time for Build It All because a lot of people are bringing their business to the online environment, right? They are building websites, e-commerce, sales funnels, email marketing. It's a very, very good time for Build It All. But we are concerned about people staying at home with nothing to do and relying on some help from the government. So maybe this is the right time for you to start working on your project, on your ideas, to create a side thing, or maybe start working with Build It All because this is a company that's like selling a lot right now. And maybe you can take advantage of this situation, working from home with a product that's selling a lot. And we are going to help you to do that because it's not just accessing on Build It All. With this new plan, the $1 plan, we're going to give you access to everything that we have, to all tools, our bonus, our apps, trainings, tutorials, affiliate system, affiliate training, the Build It All business community, everything that we have, we are going to give you access for just $1 for 30 days so you can figure out something to do as you are home. And I'm not saying that you are going to make a lot of money on the next 30 days, but what I'm saying is you're going to make some money and you're going to be able to start something that, I don't know, maybe in 2 months, 3 months, 6 months can be a very, very good and profitable business for you. Right now, Brad, we have affiliates doing $20,000 a month with Build It All. We have affiliates doing $5,000, $10,000. We have a lot of affiliates doing $1,000 a month with Build It All. You are just promoting a product that right now people need, right? And you are getting commissions when they come online to use Build It All. So it's a very, very good business opportunity. And we are trying to help people to start this business right now.
And Eric, you're one of those individuals that walk the walk, right? You have been that entrepreneur that was at a certain point in their time that they needed to do something immediately to take care of their family and so forth. And you started this amazing company that went over now 150 countries operating on. And today you have a lot of media reaching out to you, especially in this crisis that we're going on down there. And you're giving your feedback to the media's news outlets out there to help these individuals. So I appreciate your time. Let me ask you, for those that are thinking, why $1 and not free? What would you say to that, person that may have that question?
All right, so we are charging just $1 because I believe $1 is not a problem for those who want to actually start something, right? Everybody has $1. And believe it or not, $1 is enough to separate people who are just going to everything, like the freebies, people who just gonna access and see what happens, to serious entrepreneurs. If you do $1 commitment, it's more likely you're gonna do it, you're gonna try, you're gonna make it happen. And in other side, we protect our entrepreneurs, because if we can do this right now, in this time for free, maybe we're gonna have millions of people accessing for free and trying to do for free and promoting for free, and that will be crazy, right? So we have to protect our network, we have to protect our system, service, and everything. So charging just $1 is not gonna be a problem for people who actually wanna do something, and on the same time, it's gonna like filter like a lot of people who are just curious, or I don't know. We're gonna get more serious entrepreneurs with this plan.
One more question, because I know you gotta go, but I got two more questions for you. Now, what can they expect getting out into builderall.com and getting the opportunity there for $1, the trial? What can they expect as soon as they get in there, sir?
Okay, so Builderall, we have a lot of plans, different tools and everything. But with this plan right now, we are delivering everything that we have, the best what we have. This is accessing the premium plan. So when you join Builderall on this plan, you will have access to our dashboard with every single tool that we have, and I mean, like a lot of tools, every single bonus that we offer for people to upgrade their accounts. trainings, tutorials, and the funnel club and the affiliate system. With the funnel club and the affiliate system combined, you're going to be able to start promoting Builderall and promoting other products in other niches, start creating your affiliate business right now. So what you can expect is once you join this new plan, that we are, I don't know how long we're going to keep this plan, probably just as this coronavirus are going around, we're going to keep this plan so we can actually help people. But what you can expect is you will have access to the tools, trainings, opportunity of the biggest or most complete digital marketing platform in the world. You will be able to create your business online. You will be able to figure out some ideas. You will be able to see what people are doing online, and you will have time to figure out what you can do for yourself. And if you don't, that's okay, because we have our own affiliate system, we have our own product, we have our own system, and you can always work with Builderall if you don't have your own idea or own product or something like that. A lot of people are using Builderall to create digital magazines, info products, online courses, selling services, creating websites, web agencies, and a lot of stuff, right? So this is a very, very nice opportunity that you have to start your online business working from your home right now. And again, maybe you're not going to be making a lot of money on the next 30 days, but definitely you're going to be able to start a business, start something that, I don't know, maybe in 5 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years could be your main income, right? That's the reality of a lot of people working online right now. And you know, Brad, simple stuff. People are teaching how to do Facebook ads, how to do painting, how to do basic stuff online. And since you are selling this online, you have no boundaries, you have no barriers. You can sell like in the whole country for English speakers around the world, right? So people are making a lot of money selling information, selling products, selling services, helping people to create websites, helping people to create directories, helping people to create solutions online. It's happening right now. It's a job. It's like something that makes sense for a lot of people. Everybody is going towards the internet. The internet is the only thing that's not collapsing right now. So that could be definitely an opportunity for you to start something that you're going to be able to take for years and years and years. Even when this whole coronavirus is gone, you're going to be able to keep your business, keep doing something, and like you're going to be prevented of something like that happening again.
You see a lot of brands stepping up to the plate, you know, major brands, and now Builderall coming into play as well to join that force and putting together a crisis package for everyone out there. And what you're doing right now, come on, $1, you know, a trial is super, man. We thank you, Eric, because this is something that is truly life-changing, especially at a time of crisis like this, and where everyone's looking just for what can we do? How can we bring food to the table? And Builderall coming to the plate now and delivering this crisis package is tremendous in your leadership and everything you're doing. How can people get started?
And let me just add something. It's not just about me, because we, Builderall is a business community. We have a lot of affiliates promoting Builderall, and we have our commitment with our affiliates. So before taking this decision, we had a conversation with some leaders, some affiliates, people in Builderall, and we said, because it's about the affiliates as well. While we are selling Builderall for just $1, affiliates who are working with this plan, they're not going to make money this month. So all the Builderall community, all the entrepreneurs, everybody agreed with that. Everybody, like, it's leaving some money on the tables to give other people the opportunity to start. So it was my idea, but all the affiliates, all the entrepreneurs, all the Builderall community, it's supporting this idea because we believe that we can help a lot of people to do stuff like that. And for you to start, probably under this video, I'm gonna put a button. So just click on this button. You're gonna go to the sales page with everything there, all the rules, all the tools, everything that you're gonna get, everything that you're gonna have. And there is a buy button just for $1. You click the button, register on Builderall, pay your $1 and you are good to go. Now, one thing, it's $1 for the next 30 days, right? After 30 days, we will have to charge you the regular monthly fee, because otherwise it's going to be crazy for us here on our side, right? So what we are doing is we are giving you 30 days to try your best, to figure out what you can do, to learn how to work with withdrawal and start your business. After 30 days, if you don't feel like, yeah, this is something that I don't want to do or something like that, you can just cancel your subscription. We're going to give back your $1, right? And we're not going to charge you anything else, okay? So when you subscribe for this plan, you're going to pay $1 for the next 30 days. And after that, you're going to pay the regular monthly fee. It is $69. But after 30 days, if you find like, I'm not going to do that, you can just cancel your account. And that's very, very easy to cancel. You have a button inside your dashboard to cancel your account. You can cancel, we're gonna give back your $1 and we're gonna stop all the recurring payments and everything. We're gonna just cancel your account, like no risk for you. Our idea here, Brad, is to actually give people the opportunity to start something online, because it's happening right now for us, for the Builderall community. Everybody's doing well, everybody's making money. It's everybody's creating their business. If they are not selling Builderall, they are selling other stuff using Builderall. They are bringing clients, they are collecting leads, they are getting results online. That's very, very, very important to see that the things is happening like this. And we want to give other people the opportunity to do that on this moment.
You have been changing the lives of many entrepreneurs over the years, and now you coming into play right now with this crisis package for people to make a move and move the needle to their families. Incredible, the Builderall brand. I know you got plenty of media to do today. A lot of news media reaching out to you, a lot of podcasters reaching out to you, because we all want to know what our companies are doing for those who are at home right now and need help. So thank you for taking the time to get us with us today. I know you're extremely busy.
All right, Brad. Thank you very much, man.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Take care. Bye-bye.